Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today we're going to be looking at a simple and clean Nike shoe. This is the Nike Court Vision Low in the all white colorway. These are part of the Nike Court collection and these retail for $65, but you can find these floating around for cheaper, so these are a great and inexpensive option. Let's get them open. As you can see, it's a very clean and minimalist shoe. The materials include a leather upper and a rubber sole. Onto the simple features. First off, we have a padded mesh tongue. Also, we have a padded collar and lining. Moving down, we have a perforated toe box for breathability. At the sides, of course, we have the large Nike swoosh with more perforations below. On the rear tab, we have the Nike lettering debossed nicely onto the leather. Speaking of the leather, for the price, it actually feels very good. It also has a very pronounced leather texture to it. At the bottom, we have a very heavily Air Force One inspired rubber tread. It even has similar stars on the toe area. Lastly, we have a glued down gray EVA foam insole. Overall, these shoes have a very simple yet timeless silhouette. It's pretty clear that the design of these shoes was inspired by the Air Force Ones. It can be described as a simpler, slimmed down version of the Air Force One. Anyways, that's all you need to know about this shoe. Let's get these on feet. On feet, these look almost identical to Air Force Ones. They're not as comfortable as them, but they're definitely not uncomfortable shoes. Interestingly enough, they run just as big as AF1s. I'd go half a size down for a good fit. The leather on these also feels incredibly stiff, so a couple hours of break-in time will definitely be required. Overall, I dig the shoes. I especially like the design of the rear. The leather overlays and the Nike debossed lettering look really good. If you want an inexpensive classic looking shoe, I would definitely recommend these. Well, that's going to be it for the video. Thanks for watching. Let me know what other shoes you guys would like to see, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.